Navigate to redbubble.com. Click on Sign Up. Then click on Artist Sign Up, enter in your email, put in a shop name, and enter in your password. Then click Sign Up. We need to go to our account settings and enter in all our personal information, such as our name and mailing address. Then we want to set up the confirmation email. Click the link. Now we can upload a profile image. Select the file that you want to use for your profile image, and then click Upload. Now we have a profile image, and we can continue setting up our account. Let's go to the account settings. We need to choose how we want to get paid. You can use PayPal, and then verify your PayPal account. Once it's connected, agree with the user agreement, and then save your changes. Now we can start adding designs. Upload a new work. Select the image that you want to use for this work. Enter in a title, some tags, and enter in a description of the work. You can also choose which products are enabled. You don't have to have them all enabled, so pick the ones you like. Click if it's mature content or not, and click Save. Now you have an artwork uploaded. Let's add a cover image. The cover image has to be 2400 pixels wide by 600 pixels tall. Make sure you edit your image before you try to upload it. Then enter a bio. Save your changes. And let's go back to the dashboard. The last thing we need to do is add a social link. Here I'm going to add my Instagram link. Once that's done, save your changes. Now when we look at our dashboard, everything is all set up. We can continue adding more designs. It takes a little bit of time for the designs to update, so keep adding more designs so they're ready to add to your portfolio website.